Hi, I'm Faman again. So right now, the clothes has been washed. It's time to learn how to use the dryer. Right, so here we have this brand called the Kenmore Dryer, and we will show you in this video how to use it well. Now before you take the wet clothes to put inside the dryer, you have to make sure that the filter is clean. So you pull this up, right, and make sure that you have a new filter here. You see now it's transparent. That means there's no dirt trap here, right? All clean. That's because my good friend here, LA, has just done a good job of removing the lint. Right. If you have to, please replace a new filter. Now, from the washing machine, we take out, LA, I need some help.
Sure.
Okay, here's the dryer. Pull out the door. Wow, very clean, bright looking interior of this dryer. Okay, now let's insert the wet clothes. Push it in all the way. Some more?
Yeah, one less.
Okay, coming, incoming. Is that all? A bit more. Okay, so if you're good friends with your buddies, right, you can share a load for the washing machine and the dryer to save the environment, save some electricity, save some water, save the earth. Once ready, push it in. Okay, now this is locked. What you do now is to set the signals. Right, drying temperature, we tend to use casual because it's a mix of clothing materials. If you know that all the clothing are made of cotton, you can press high. If you are washing some undergarment, you might want to put delicates. Drying time, we do the normal setting. I don't touch this. Wrinkle guard on so that we will not have any creases in the clothes. Once ready, and put on and press to start. Oh, what's happening?
The timer.
The timer, right.
Yeah.
So the timer, I need to turn to how long you want to dry for. 50 minutes.
20.
Okay. And then press to start. Now its whole body is shaking. You see a vibration? Okay. The dry is activated. So we'll see you later when the clothes are dry. Take care. Cheers.